Jai Bhagwan. I am Rashmi Sardar and I am associated with the Jai Bhagwan Acupressure International Organization that is situated at Kandivali West in Mumbai. And today we will be discussing problems regarding menstruation in women. And the first topic that we'll be dealing with or we'll be addressing is that of white discharge, or it's also called leukorrhea in medical terms. A little bit of white discharge in women is common in the reproductive phase. It's a common occurrence, so one need not get worried by a little bit of discharge that is happening on an everyday basis in every woman. But if the discharge increases, which can be either due to hormonal imbalance or due to some kind of an infection or due to plain increase in body heat, then one has to take the corrective measures. And the problem with the white discharge is that it causes a lot of weakness, a lot of backache, ache in the calf muscles, headache, in the women. So you can't allow that situation to prolong because it becomes difficult to work with such a situation in the human body. So there are certain home remedies which can be administered during this period, and the first one is where you take a ripe banana. It can be either an elchikela or it can be a big normal banana. You peel the banana and make a slit in the banana and slit the banana in such a way that it is not through and through. It has to be firm from the bottom, because in this slit we add 5 drops of honey and 10 drops of pure desi ghee and close the banana and eat it immediately. So this banana should be had, means you can have 2 bananas in this way, one in the morning and one in the evening, and this has to be continuously had for a period of 10 days before you can see results. So this is remedy number 1. The second remedy is that of chana dal. Chana dal ya आपका gram dal. This is it can be known by different names in different places. So I have bought this. So I hope you can see this. Can you see this? This is the chana dal. Okay, this is the chana dal. It looks very much like tuar, but it is slightly thicker or mote. It's fatter than the your tuar dal. So this is the chana dal. So you have to take 10 to 12 grains of raw uncooked chana dal, soak it in half a cup of water overnight, and in the morning you chew this chana dal properly and also have this water in which you have soaked it. And this you have to do once a day and do it for a period of 15 days. So this is remedy number 2. And in the remedy number 3, you take 1 teaspoon of jeera ya cumin seeds and you add it to 1 cup of water that is being taken from cooked rice, where you cook the rice in an open pot, not in the cooker, and you cook it with slightly extra water, and once the rice is done you drain the excess water, and this excess water can be had about 1 cup, in which you mix 1 teaspoon of jeera and you mix this and you have it, and this also you have for a period of 15 days. And as a general rule, whenever you have any of these remedies, either be it a banana or the chana dal one or the jeera with rice water, you are supposed to take this in an isolated form. Means 1 hour before and 1 hour after having this, you are not supposed to have anything, so that this can go in as a medicine and do its designated work. And also women should practice personal hygiene and be watchful of any changes in their white discharge, so they can immediately take these kind of remedial measures. Jai Bhagwan.